This morning, a bus involved in an accident, Moyale liner flying the route of Mandera Moyale in a place called Hareri. We had casualties. The light injuries were taken to Ramo. Some serious casualties were brought to Mandera County Referral Hospital. So far, we received about 20 patients. 11 are male, 9 are female. They seem not to be in a very bad state of health, but 2 of them had limbs problem and their arms are sort of amputated. 1 local and 1 non-local members. That injury is whereby their hands sort of amputated. Otherwise, of the 11 members, the 20 in total, 9 female and 11 male, 4 are non-locals. The 4 non-locals, 3 are female and 1 male. That's what we can report about the accident. As the county government, I'm the county secretary of the government. We really condole with the family. We send our full condolences to all members of the family, both local and non-local. On behalf of the government, we are really sorry for the families. And our advice is this bus left Mandera this morning, and where it got accident is just about 40-50 kilometers. So this one sends some signal in terms of the kind of drivers that we have. Other than the problem can be mechanical, but more so, Mandera has a lot of drug issues these days, and we really feel these drivers be vetted, and most likely the owners of the drivers and the law enforcers should need to do something about the drivers in terms of getting to know the status of addiction, or if not, the soberness of that driver is very vital for the government.